Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatreya Bhagat and today is 3rd of Feb 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is method calling and method return. So we will see what is meant by method calling and method return. So as when we are looping an iterative statement or looping statement, at that time we are using a different for for loops or while loop or do while loop. So during this looping statement, the iteration means we are giving the conditions to the iterations. That means initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. Like this only, in a recursive in a recursion, we are using means the method call itself again and again. So how it has been done? So for doing the doing the our code easy to understand, easy to complex to understand, but for doing the code compact, we are using the recursion. In this recursion, the method calls itself again and again. So how it has been performing. So suppose we are using a for loop. So by replacing this for loop, we are actually creating methods of different statements, and in these methods, we are giving the condition. We are giving the condition and calling the method inside it. So due to this, the code has been uh, made very compact, and in this the method has been called itself again and again till the condition has been satisfied. So in this method calling, it should be compulsory that the base limit should be defined. The base limit should be defined, or the loop will go to the infinite loop. So the base condition is compulsory in the method calling. So in method calling, it if if our we have to pass method, means while creating the method, it we invoke the method. So like this, the method, while invoking the method calls itself again and again. So if we have to pass some parameters to the another method, so at that time we have to use a return type of method, in we are using a simply return keyword and return keyword and parameterized method. In this we are returning the values whichever the different, and if the another method want to use that parameters, at that time we are using a return type of method. In this return type of method, while defining the method, we are using a return type data, that is whether it is having integer or any other, by replacing the keyword void to return type. Then again, by using this return type of method invokes again itself again and again till the condition is been satisfied. So by doing this, yes, the complexity of code increases. It is very hard to understand, but due to this, the code has been become very compact. So during the method calling, we are using a stack memory. While running the code, we are using a stack memory, but after our final condition, or whatever we are having the block of statement, it ends. At that time, the stack memory clears, So during the runtime only we are using a stack memory. So like this it happens in method calling and method return. In method return we are returning the means values whichever we are using it to the another method. If we will declare an static variables or static or in a static keyword means if we define our variables or some process is done outside inside the class but outside the methods. At that time we this we the in the visibility of that variables or whatever we are doing in the inside the class and outside the method, that is static variables. At that time uh, we if we can't give the return type, it is accessible to every method. So by that we can make some means made some code, reduce some code complexity, and for ease of our programmer we can do that thing. So this is all about method calling and method return. Thank you.